Good morning, students. In our today's lecture, we will discuss next important topic, that is central idea of the poem The Little Black Boy, written by famous English poet William Blake. I repeat the topic which we are going to discuss today. Central idea of the poem The Little Black Boy, written by famous English poet William Blake. Students, this is image of the poet William Blake. Before beginning with the central idea, I would like to give you a brief introduction to the poet William Blake. He was born on 28th November 1757 and he died in 12th August 1827. He was an English poet, painter and printmaker, largely unrecognized during his lifetime. Blake is now considered a seminal figure in the history of the poetry and visual arts of the Romantic Age. So William Blake, he was an English poet, painter, and printmaker. He was largely unrecognized during his lifetime. Unrecognized करना means ना पहचानना, recognize करना मतलब पहचान लेना, अनरिकगनाइज मतलब ਉਹਦੀ ਕੋਈ ਪਹਿਚਾਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਡਿਊਰਿੰਗ ਹਿਸ ਲਾਈਫ ਟਾਈਮ। ਜਦੋਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਵਿਲੀਅਮ ਬਲੇਕ, ਉਹਦੀ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਪੋਇਟ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਾਣ ਪਹਿਚਾਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗੀ। But now he is considered a seminal figure in the history of the poetry. But now he is considered means ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ as a seminal figure, a renowned figure in the history of the poetry and visual arts of the Romantic Age. Means when he was alive at that time, he was not much recognized, but in present times or after his death, he is considered as a renowned figure in the history of poetry and visual arts of Romantic Age. This is a brief introduction to the poet. Let's now have a look over the brief introduction to the poem itself. The Little Black Boy is a poem by British poet William Blake, included in his 1789 publication Songs of Innocence. The poem argues for racial equality, insisting that earthly identity is temporary and that all are worthy of God's divine love. So, this poem is written by British poet William Blake, and this poem is included in his 1789 publications, that is called Songs of Innocence. The poem argues for racial equality. Equality means ਬਰਾਬਰੀ। ਇਹ ਪੋਇਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਇਟ ਗਿਵਸ ਅਸ ਅ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਆਫ ਰੇਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇਕੁਐਲਿਟੀ, ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਆਲ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ ਆਰ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਟੂ ਈਚ ਅਦਰ। ਸਾਰੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦੇ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਨੇ। ਦ ਪੋਇਮ ਆਰਗਿਊਜ਼ ਫॉर ਰੇਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਇਕੁਐਲਿਟੀ ਇਨਸਿਸਟਿੰਗ, ਅਤੇ ਪੋਇਮ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿਸ ਚੀਜ਼ 'ਤੇ, ਦੈਟ ਅਰਥਲੀ ਆਈਡੈਂਟਿਟੀ ਇਜ਼ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਰੀ, ਕਿ ਸਾਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਧਰਤੀ 'ਤੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਇੱਕ ਆਈਡੈਂਟਿਟੀ ਬਣੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਟੈਂਪਰੇਰੀ, ਬਹੁਤ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ। ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਆਲ ਆਰ ਵਰਦੀ ਆਫ ਗੋਡਸ ਡਿਵਾਈਨ ਲਵ। ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਪੋਇਮ ਟੀਚਿਜ਼ ਅਸ that we all are equal and our earthly identity is for a very short period, and we all are worthy or we all are able of God's divine love. So this is introduction to the poem. Let's now discuss central idea of the poem. This poem, The Little Black Boy, this poem gives the message of universal love and brotherhood. This poem gives us a message of universal love and brotherhood. This poem teaches us the lesson that we should all live with love and brotherhood together. The poet gives beautiful examples to give his message. The poet William Blake, he gives beautiful examples. He says that the sun gives its heat and light equally for all things and persons. So, first of all, the poet gives a message. He gives an example to make his idea, central idea, or to make his theme clear to us. He gives the example of sun. He says that sun gives its heat and light equally for all things. Okay, that sun gives its heat and light equally for all things. The poet says that ਸਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੂਰਜ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰੇ ਇਨਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਆਪਣੀ ਹੀਟ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਲਾਈਟ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਪਰਸਨਸ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਹੀਟ ਐਂਡ ਲਾਈਟ ਬਰਾਬਰ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਪਲਾਂਟਸ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਐਂਡ ਟੂ ਆਲ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਬੀਇੰਗਸ. Similarly, God gives warmth of His love to all creatures without any distinction. In the same way, He gives second example that God gives warmth of His love to all creatures without any distinction. Poet says that as sun gives its heat and light to all things, all animals, plants and human beings equally, in the same way God gives warmth of his love to all creatures. Creatures means sare jeev jantu janwar, without any distinction. God says that the poet says that God gives his warmth of his love equally to all creatures without any distinction. Distinction means any difference. ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਭੇਦਭਾਵ ਦੇ, ਬਿਨਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਬਾਇਸ ਦੇ, prejudice ਦੇ, God gives his love to all creatures. Man should also learn to bear the beams of love in his heart. So the poet says that man should also learn to bear the beams of love in his heart. He says that in the same way as the sun or God, he doesn't have any prejudice. Both of them doesn't have any prejudice in their heart for in distributing their love and providing their love to all the creatures and animals. In the same way, man should also learn to give his love to all human beings equally. He should love men of all castes, colors and creeds. In the same way, man should also love all the human beings, all his fellow men, without any type of bias on the basis of caste, color or any creed. So the basic idea, the basic central idea which the poet is giving us in this through this poem is the love that man should give love to his fellow men without any type of bias or prejudice, without any type of distinction on the basis of caste, color or creed. So this is introduction. So this is the central idea of the poem, The Little Black Boy. So students, today we have covered this important topic. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture on some next topic. Thank you very much.